Hello and welcome to A Good Stir. This is Julie, and today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker shredded chicken, which is a meal prep essential that can be used in tacos, salads, pasta, and more. Let's get started. To a small bowl, add all of the spices and mix them together well. Add your chicken to the slow cooker, as well as 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Sprinkle in the spice mixture evenly over each chicken breast. Cover and cook on low for 3 to 4 hours. When the chicken is done, I like to flip it over so that the spices are released into the broth. Now you're going to transfer the chicken to a plate and shred it up. Transfer the chicken back into the slow cooker and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the chicken can absorb all of the broth. This slow cooker shredded chicken is tender, flavorful, and incredibly versatile. With just a few simple ingredients, you will have fall-apart chicken that can be used in so many different dishes throughout the week. I hope you'll give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.